Primary sources: Benjamin Banneker's letter to Thomas Jefferson. By original document from the public domain adapted by Newsella staff. Editor's note: Benjamin Banneker was an African-American mathematician, surveyor, and astronomer. He also wrote a popular almanac. Banneker was born a free man. He wrote a letter to Thomas Jefferson on August 19, 1791. Jefferson was not president then. He was the Secretary of State. Banneker argued in his letter against slavery. He pointed that slavery went against the principles of the Declaration of Independence and Bill of Rights. Sir, I know it is bold to write to a person as important as you. I write because I care deeply about my race. We blacks are hated by much of the world. Many people think we are more like animals than men. They believe we are stupid. I am proud of my dark skin. Sir, I have heard you think differently. I have been told you do not share these terrible ideas. I have heard you are willing to help fight against our unfair treatment. Now, sir, I hope this is true. I hope you believe that one God made us all. I hope you believe He has given us all the same feelings and skills. We are all the same family, no matter how different we may look. Sir, let us suppose you do believe these things. Then I hope you see that a Christian should help all those who are mistreated. It should not matter the color of their skin. Sir, I am a black American of the African race. I am proud of my dark skin. Unlike so many other black Americans, I am lucky not to be a slave. I am not owned by a master. I am not forced to work in the fields like a farm animal. I cannot be bought and sold. Like you, I am a free man. You declared your own rights to be free. Sir, may I remind you of America's own struggle to be free. Think back to the years before and during the Revolutionary War. During that time, the British tried to rob white Americans of their freedom. The British attacked you with their guns. They tried to rob you of your own right to rule yourselves. Look back to the dangers you faced. Remember how help seemed impossible to find. At that time, you saw clearly that slavery was wrong. You declared your own right to be free. You wanted to rob others of their freedom. At the same time, you still thought it was fair for black Americans to be enslaved. You wanted to rob others of their freedom. Perhaps now you can see that you were wrong. I will not dare tell you what you should do. I will only say that you should try seeing the world through a black man's eyes. You will learn to care about him. Then you will know what must be done. Yours truly, with the greatest respect, Benjamin Banneker.